Hey guys, what's going on? We back at it again, y'all. Fishing is getting good. Fall transition bite is here. And I had a little extra time this morning before lunch. Well, you know what that means. It means it's time to go fishing. So we're gonna get out here and try to pick up a little bait. Oh my goodness, come on man, one time. I got a couple anyway. Got a couple. All right, that was a easy bait right now. When bait's easy, fishing's hard. So we're gonna get the bait and go somewhere else. Not the targeted species, but I'll darn sure take it. Yes, sir. Oh, the big bass are up here, son. Woo. A solid 5 pounders for sure. Put a scale on and carry. Yes, cute. That fin. Joker's pretty. That joker's pretty. Yes, sir. 6.4 pounds, y'all. Not bad at all. Nice. All right. Well, it's not what we after, but I'll take it. What y'all doing?
Wasting time right now.
Man, I just missed one. I got here, but I threw one over on that bank, you know, a live gizzard.
Yeah.
And it wasn't 30 seconds, and that pole was dancing, and that doggone bass was jumping. 6.5 pound largie.
Dang.
But I sat up there on that point last night with a friend of mine and his son.
Yeah.
And we caught one stinking catfish, but right here, these big old stripers were just
Blowing up.
Yeah. I mean, kept on blowing up. I said, well, I know where I'm going. And I didn't think I was coming fishing this morning. And then Catherine said, we're going dress shopping. I said,
I'm going fishing.
see y'all about lunchtime. How you, man?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
This is Robert. That's Sarah Beth's boyfriend.
Okay.
How you doing, sir?
Good, buddy. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. My daddy watches you on YouTube.
This is
Oh, yeah?
That's not TR.
Yeah.
He's got a channel too.
Yeah, my daddy watches you on YouTube all the time.
That's cool. Yeah, I got a video in the making right now with little Easton. He was up there, caught a 13-pound blue, and that boy was on cloud 9. But y'all done any good?
Caught one little bitty spot.
Really?
Yeah.
That's it? See?
I had some bottom that point right there, but
Backwards are hybrid, huh?
yeah.
Here we go.
There you go.
Got it. Oh, yes, sir. Well, where you wanting to go, dude? Okay. Woo, Okay.
He went up under them. Every one of them.
Yeah, he did. I was looking at that.
I've been trying my best to guide these fish. You can do it some days you can't. Oh, golly, he's about to snatch that thing out of my hand. Ooh. Come on. Yeah, he ain't super large, but he got some shoulders on him. Nice. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Woo. He might go. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna be on the high side and say 15. We'll see. Nah, he might go. Well, he's wide. I don't know.
Oh, he's going to be, I say 15 at least. And Tom makes about 100 tacos.
Guarantee you. Okay. 15-6.
Yep.
15-6, baby. It's a tub right there. All these fish have got some.
Yeah, I've seen those markings on them.
Well, I had one that had some, I mean, like, show enough nasty markings on him. Daddy caught that when he was 22, and that daggum fish, he had a virus, buddy. Yeah, I think I'm finna slide over here to that shallower water and put these live baits on that skinny side. You get one of these right here on one of them things, like, show enough bass reels, that's a good time.
Yep.
I never caught one. I might be, well, I have. I caught one striper that big out of Altoona on a jerkbait bass fish.
Y'all tie your boats here and sit down for a while. We may catch another one. All right, that was fun. Nice weight to it right there. Oh, that fish cut up. Be as big as this thing is, it is cutting the pool. I'm talking about this channel cat right here pulled like he was grown. Done, dude? Let him get all this energy out right here. Yeah, this thing right here pulled like a grown man. I can just about hold him. Let's see. Yeah, I think I can hold him. Darn nice channel cat though, for real. He's not quite double digit, but he's a nice channel. Let's let him go. Working around over here. Fun sizer. Nice little, solid little, probably 7, 8, 9 pound maybe. I don't know. Nice fight. Fish have been bumping that rod for a solid 30 minutes. Well, I finally got a hook in him.